The emergence of mysterious viral diseases across Africa has once again sparked questions over lab safety standards. Most countries across the continent have one or more institutes dedicated to virus research, yet it's these very places which are often linked to the origin of outbreaks of diseases such as Ebola and mpox. CGTN's Isabel Nakaria has the report from Kampala.
What seems to be a near constant outbreak of new viruses has Africa's scientific community on edge. In the past few years, millions of people have been killed globally from diseases like Ebola, COVID-19 and mpox. Massive amounts of research are being conducted into where they originated and how they spread. One possibility is that they come from the very labs that are carrying out the research. In Uganda, which is still overcoming an Ebola outbreak, it's a very real problem.
We don't allow bringing two different viruses in the lab at the same time because these may get together and then they may reassort and probably you come out with an even more virulent disease. So you do the emerging, you start off an emergent disease in the lab.
There are risks everywhere, but most are caused by human error.
Supposing any of our staff is not careful enough, he may come out, let's say he didn't put on gloves. He may get infected and come out and infect others. All if we do not autoclave what we have used in the lab. The people normally who are taking these things to the incinerator are not laboratory people.
Different labs have biosecurity guidelines to maintain the highest level of safety standards, and not all labs are licensed to handle dangerous pathogens. The Uganda Virus Research Institute is one of the country's high containment labs studying some of the deadliest pathogens. Scientists here are now working with other labs like the Makerere University Lab to strengthen and ensure standards are met.
It's making sure that the pathogens that you are handling are safe to handle, and it's making sure that there is good monitoring, not just inside, but also outside. So the control measures are absolutely robust.
Fighting near a lab in the eastern DRC has sparked fears over the possibility of an Ebola outbreak. Global concerns over lab safety persist, but researchers here say with strong safety policies, these risks can be minimized. Isabel Nakaria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.